na bitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Hindi aabot ang data. Nice!
Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi na bitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Hindi aabot ang data. Nice!
Don't...
And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The action continues here inside the Meralco Gymnasium, here along Ortigas for Smart Spike 2026. It's our, I believe, our sixth game for today. Yep, featuring Assumption Antipolo. The Amazons going up against Canosa Academy of Lipa. It's still Francis Chisonco joining you alongside Coach Andy Fiel at the sidelines.
Magandang hapon po.
That is true. Now, Coach, I'd just like to ask you, since you mentioned kanina before we started to go on air na Canosa Academy here, this is their second game, right, Coach? Kasi kanina they had one, and fortunately naman, napanalo nila yon. But like, does this give this team an advantage since mainit na sila, or quite the opposite po? Kasi fatigue na. How could you, parang, what do you think will happen?
Usually, sa Lipa, they always get 2 games para masulit yung punta kasi they're coming from Lipa. So if they just get 1 game, that is fine. But if they get 2 games, so they maximize their time, their travel, going to and from Meralco. And obviously they're well trained, so they can obviously play 2 games in 1 day.
So it's not a problem naman, Coach, on the floor na.
I don't think that would be a problem in terms of conditioning. They just have to be careful of injuries. We'll never know when that might strike. So they just have to be careful. After all, these are kids pa rin.
All right. Score is now 3-1. But that is unfortunately too wide on that service. Meantime, stepping up on the serving deck for Assumption Antipolo, it's Non. Landicho. That will be a double contact. 4 hits actually.
Nicole Agoyo with that attempt. Ball was a bit too low for her liking.
Right. Diaz sends it over. Kimpo sends it to the left pin, pero napasobra ata si Azel Razon.
Razon wanted to go over the block that time, so you just have to try again.
Let's see, 4-3. Let's see how this goes. Kimpo sends it over. Landicho goes to Agoyo. Coverage is there. Brianna Diaz with a killer spike, sending it all the way back.
Went through Baldago. That zone 6 spot was open. So Assumption needs to close out those holes at the block.
Right, here we go. 5-3. Kimpo sets it up to Razon. Landicho. What a dig. It's going to be a freebie here for Assumption. Kimpo choosing Razon from the left wing. It will be denied. They get the rebound. A freebie is sent over to the side of the white shirts. Rihanna Diaz is well read by Razon. It's going to be a joust. Not quite. They set it over to the right yet again, and that is too strong for Brianna Diaz.
Miscalculated that spike. Bri Diaz went too far. Ball went too far. Barely touched her palm there. Ito, halos kamay yun. Halos daliri, I mean.
Right now, it's 4-5. Assumption is down by 1. Landicho reverses to Diaz. Goes in for the punch. Kimpo reverses. That was Baldago. Ball is still in play. Razon sends in a freebie. Landicho going for the quick. And that will bring Canosa to 6 points.
Naya Guevara was too early dun sa block. Gave up some space at the net for Nicole Agoyo to get that point.
That's true, 6-4. Right, Kimpo. Good attack coming in there from Naya Guevara on the side of Assumption Antipolo.
Baldago for Assumption Antipolo at the service line. She has a strong arm. Let's see if she can control it and get a good result for this serve.
5-6. Right, Landicho choosing Gadelban.
Medyo na fake dun yung mga blocker kasi medyo delayed yung talon ni Biang Gutilban.
Seven serving 5. Canosa maintains the lead. They are up by 2. Here we go. Good pick up by Razon. It's going to be sent over there by Guevara. Landicho reverses. Well, clutch for Gadelban.
Identified the single block. Use it to their advantage. Mahirap kasi pag isa lang talaga yung blocker mo. If you're on the defensive side.
Good serve from Brianna Diaz. An ace.
Diaz served right in front of Baldago. The ball was going down really fast for them to react properly and on time.
9-5. Back-to-back aces for Diaz.
Yun talagang mangyayari dyan kung talagang mabilis power yung swing, top spin, mabilis bumagsak yung bola, mahirap calculate kung saan katatayo para i-receive
10-5. Make that triple aces.
The top spin and the placement of the ball, nahihirapan ng Assumption to ascertain where they should position for the serve. Well, yan yung nature ng top spin serve, lalo na pag magaling ka mag-serve like Bri Diaz.
And in the meantime, a timeout has been called by Assumption Antipolo. We'll be right back.
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi nabitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi nabitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi nabitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
And now we're back after that quick ceasefire coming in from Assumption Antipolo. 11 points now for Canosa Academy Lipa. Brian Diaz still at the serving deck. That was too strong of a pickup from Luzada. Another +1.
Kailangan mo dyan pag top spin ng serve, hindi na magra-right to left yan yung travel niyan. Dire-diretso lang yan. Kailangan mo lang harapan. Kasi pag top spin, harapan mo lang. If it's fast, go to that position. Harap ka lang sa bola. Don't get it to the side. Fast play.
Fast play there. Kira Fagonia at the side here of Canosa Academy of Lipa, bringing the troops to 13 points.
Ganda contact ni Gab doon, ang taas. Pero she elected to push it. Baga, power tip na lang. Pinipwesto na lang niya yung bola.
With Brianna Diaz to serve. Bree. 13-5. Kimpo. He sends it to Guevara. Saved by Landicho. It's going to be pushed over. That was Razon. Kimpo sends it back to her again, which will be denied. And Guevara will lose control.
You're at a disadvantage when you can't fake the middle blocker. Si Gab Agonia, sila, tag team ni Biang Gutilban sa dulo to stop the outside hitter.
14-5. Diaz to start the play. Kimpo choosing the middle. Good save by Luna. Landicho connects it to Agonia, but a whistle has been blown. That is a held ball at the side of Canosa.
Ang tagal na ng bola sa kamay kasi ni Gab. I mean, disadvantage na masyado ang assumption. Kailangan bilisan niya yung doon. She grabbed the ball, held too long.
Dapat bantayan na coach. It's usually the power tip na coach or yung held ball na yun. Nakakalito minsan. Sometimes the fans argue pa coach.
Yeah, oo. And Hazel getting an ace there.
14 points. Diaz gets the first ball. Landicho connects it to the middle. And Gutilban goes off the hands.
Ianon could not get to that ball. Usually pag ganyan, pagpapalo na, kailangan huminto ka na sa movement mo You just have to wait for the action, then react.
15-7 actually. Kimpo with a clutch set. Guevara tried to save it with a clutch, pero she accidentally crossed the center line with her whole foot.
Oo nga, in forward momentum niya, hindi na niya makontrol at that point. She was too far from the net.
16-7 into the net. And we have a substitution for Canosa.
Incidentally, si Martina Kimpo is one of several setters for the high school for Assumption Antipolo. She started the past 3 games na for the team.
Estolano is setter now for Canosa. That was Agoyo. Kimpo sends it all the way to Non. Good save coming in from Luna. That was Estolano sending it to Diaz, who gives a freebie. Kimpo sends it all the way back. Estolano connects it to Mujares for a quick. The try from the right wing. Ball is still alive. Non.
Bella Santo Tomas saved both balls going down. Unfortunately, si Ian paatras kasi could not control that ball, could not hit it as hard kasi paatras siya.
Right, in the meantime, 17-8. Ooh, that's an ace and a face plant.
Mahirap yan. If it's a float ball, you can barely see where the ball is gonna, if it's going left or right or up or down. Good serve for Gab Agonia.
All right, now we're back. Here we go. Estolano. Good interception. What a save coming in there from Razon. Non sends it over. Estolano again reverses. Ball is still in play. Santo Tomas sends in a freebie. Estolano Santo Tomas was there. At hindi naaabot for hits for Assumption.
Could not convert. Medyo malapit sa net yun. Plus, may andyan yung the blocking factor. Siyempre, ang hirap. I-over mo na nga, may blocker pa sa harap mo.
Overkill na.
Oo. Tapos mababa. It's too close to the net.
19-9. Too long. Service went out. Assumption now goes to 10 points. Finally, umikot na din sila, coach.
Oo, ang tagal nun.
Non at the serving deck. Luna. It's gonna be a free ball. Luna was ready on that quick hit. Kimpo reverses all the way to Santo Tomas. What a dig by Luna. Sent over by Agonia. Luna again. The attack from the pipe. Razon sends in a freebie. Estolano with a one-hand set. Santo Tomas stood guard. She asks for it and delivers across court. Brianna Diaz attacks from the left wing.
Give it to Canosa to, power through that. But Assumption Antipolo fighting back with a long rally. All three spikers in front. Touch the ball, try to make a point. That's what you want to see. Whether you win or lose the point, you keep pushing, you keep defending the ball.
Big hit coming in there from Nicole. But before that, another ceasefire coming in from Assumption Antipolo. We'll be right back.
For businesses across the Philippines, the sun can bring more than light. It shines down with clean, cost-effective energy. With M Spectrum, you can turn your rooftops into reliable savings and real sustainability. Backed by Meralco's energy expertise, M Spectrum delivers tailor-fit, end-to-end solar solutions. Designed around your particular profile and goals, M Spectrum offers exactly what you need and stays with you for the long term. This means lower costs and fewer worries. With Power Purchase Agreement, M Spectrum invests, installs, and operates the system. You pay only for the energy you consume. In retail, every peso counts. For Landers Superstore, their stores rely heavily on refrigeration and air conditioning.
Landers.
And we're seeing right now that is Martina Kimpo, I believe, the
The
daughter.
mom and her two siblings who are now playing for Ateneo.
Yep,
The Kimpos. Volleyball, that's a volleyball family. Although yung tatay tsaka yung bunso niya, basketball.
But of course, Coach Epok Kimpo, also one of our executives here at Smart Sports. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. And that ball is outside. Napasobra ata. 11 points to Assumption. (11:21). Templo to serve. Estolano. Ooh, that is another attack error coming in from Canosa.
Coach is using a new setter right now, number 7.
Estolano.
Ashnea Estolano. Medyo dikit lang sa net kasi yung bola. Na-miscalculate niya yung set. Kay Nicole Agoyo.
12:21.
Ano ko?
That was Sevilla. Tad
Almost.
strong for Guevara.
You can see the idea for that hit. Pero masyadong mahaba eh.
And we have a substitution 18 out, and number 21 of Canosa Academy, Masongsong, checks in.
Dana, naging service specialist now. Sumasongsong.
22-12. Right, Kimpo with a reverse clutch to Santo Tomas, but the set was just too tight to work with.
Nung the reception went too wide beyond the antenna. Although Martina tried to save it out.
Right, 23-12. 2 points shy till we end set number 1, and that's an ace.
Ay, kaya naman pala pinasok si Masongsong eh.
Indeed, the service specialist.
Pinapahirapan niya yung kabila eh.
Masongsong now serving for the set, 24-12. Alright, Kimpo sends it back. Estolano choosing the middle again. It was Mojares. Santo Tomas. That was Villa. From the middle. Good pick up there from Canosa. Sevilla attacks from the left. Kimpo sends it to Razon. Going for the drop. Still alive. Hindi na aabot. Assumption Antipolo clings on to set number 1, 13-24. Santo Tomas steps up on the serving deck.
That's what you wanna see from ASL Razon. So, Assumption will need a lot of offense from her.
That's an ace.
Luna with the missed receive.
(14-24). And there we have it. Sevilla ends set number 1 with the score 25-14. Canosa is now leading the match 1-0. We'll be right back for set number 2.
For businesses across the Philippines, the sun can bring more than light. It shines down with clean, cost-effective energy. With M Spectrum, you can turn your rooftops into reliable savings and real sustainability. Backed by Meralco's energy expertise, M Spectrum delivers tailor-fit, end-to-end solar solutions. Designed around your particular profile and goals, M Spectrum offers exactly what you need and stays with you for the long term. This means lower costs and fewer worries. With Power Purchase Agreement, M Spectrum invests, installs, and operates the system. You pay only for the energy you consume. In retail, every peso counts. For Landers Superstore, their stores rely heavily on refrigeration and air conditioning.
Landers was looking for a trusted partner capable of delivering large-scale green energy solutions. And M Spectrum's expertise in renewable technology made them a strong match.
For a vital utility company like Manila Water, their power demands affect millions of customers.
Why M Spectrum? They are a reliable partner with the technical and financial capability to deliver projects at scale. The partnership allows us to reduce power costs, improve energy security, and advance our sustainability commitments.
At Emperador Distillers Incorporated, craftsmanship and tradition meet smart business decisions.
Our plants are energy intensive from distillation and bottling to climate control. M Spectrum's team understood how we work, planned accordingly, and delivered.
For those who want full command of their energy future, there's another option. Maximize your savings and assets through outright purchase. Invest upfront and gain the full benefits of complete ownership and control of your system. Toyota Motor Philippines is aiming for plant carbon neutrality by 2035.
Our on-site solar power facility now contributes up to 10% of our plant's energy requirements. M Spectrum delivered on engineering, procurement, and construction, meeting the Toyota standards. Having been partners since 2018, their support is exceptional.
Across industries, M Spectrum's installations can reduce your operational expenses and help you meet your sustainability goals. Your roof, your roadmap, your return on investment. Step into the solar future with M Spectrum. For businesses across the Philippines, the sun can bring more than light. It shines down with clean, cost-effective energy. With M Spectrum, you can turn your rooftops into reliable savings and real sustainability. Backed by Meralco's energy expertise, M Spectrum delivers tailor-fit, end-to-end solar solutions. Designed around your...
And now we're back for set number 2 between Canosa Academy of Lipa and Assumption Antipolo.
Shoutout kay Coach Manny Closan, Canosa Academy, all the way from Lipa.
Yes.
And to Coach Ivan and Coach Pete from the other side, Assumption Antipolo naman.
Our hard-working coaches na maiinit na ang ulo.
Off the block. Spiker chose a good angle for that attack kasi palabas na yung bola.
Right. Was Landicho with a service ace. 2-0.
Daniel Lozada missed that one. Hard hit ball.
Double aces.
So obviously meron Cans Landicho is trying to get on that side of the court.
Right. Free ball was sent over to the side of Canosa. And
Grabe naman yung pilipit na yun para sa down the line.
kaya nga napilit pa ni Diaz eh.
360 na yung kamay.
Diaz really is just something else for Canosa here. Dicho again to serve.
Changing tactics si Landicho. Kanina he was going zone 1 eh. Danny Lozada was there. Then now he's going to the middle of the court in front of Angel Canlas and the libero, the first libero, Harriet Caronongan.
Binalikan din sila. Inaabangan ng Canosa.
Soft and sweet. Para kay Ian nun. Kahit nakatayo, basta puntos. Reflected yan sa scoreboard.
Now standing at the serving deck, Non to start the play. 1-5. So pick up by Luna. Carlos Diaz. Into the net.
Bree Diaz wanted to go down the line again, but the ball was too low. Could not perform it the same way she did the first time.
Serve for Non. Landicho. Good connection.
Just out of reach from the setter, by the setter. So, kailangan lang talaga extra effort on defense eh. Ganun talaga yan eh.
Right, Sam Mujares to start the play now. 6-2. Impo sets it up to Canlas, who goes over the blockers.
Angel Canlas with a nice hit. Deflected by the block, but not enough for it not to make a point. Good job.
Bringing Assumption to 3 points. And Dicho pumps it up to the middle. And Guevara.
Magkakaproblema ka talaga pag, kunyari, mababa na yung set, pinilit mo siya. In that case, Biang Gutilban wanted to hit it hard, but it was too low.
And Dicho.
Inulit, bumawi.
Gutilban makes it right the second time.
Blocker, yung ano doon you can't really put any space between you and the net. Naya Guevara had to be a little bit closer just to get that angle off. Mawala yung angle.
Brianna Diaz. Saved by Agonia. And a pushover. Oh, scrambling na itong Assumption. Alright. Kimpo sets it up to the middle. And Guevara won't be able to push through with that drop.
Nakikita mo kung anong gusto niya mangyari. Yung idea is really good but the execution has to be equal to the idea Hindi pwede talaga na too soft too soft yung push.
8-4. Kimpo reverses. That is Santo Tomas with a cross court.
Bella mostly consistent with their spikes. Whether it makes a point or not, she keeps it in the court and that time makes a point. Consistency.
Santo Tomas started the play. And Dicho chooses the middle. And Canlas sends in a freebie. And Dicho choosing the middle. They get the rebound. The ball is still alive and breathing.
Whoa!
And a miscue pa.
It's a bonus. Naya Guevara, nagulat din siya Pero, it's a point is a point.
6 points, Assumption. Diaz. Well read by Guevara.
Pinipilit din ni Bree. Although, she has a strong arm. But she cannot push the ball over the net. Medyo pinipilit na niya yung palo.
Diaz gets first ball and Dicho sends it to Canlas. Finds the right spot.
Makikita mo, nilagay ni Canlas down the line kasi yung second libero of Canosa wasn't in good position. Grace Mendoza was at zone 6 and the ball went straight to zone 1.
8 serving all. Luna sends in a freebie. Kimpo sets it up to Guevara. That was Gutilban. Kimpo again, choosing Canlas. Candicho was there. Diaz to attack from the pipe, off the hands of Lozada.
Good try for the second libero Assumption, but she should have swung her arms a bit higher just to block the path of the ball.
That's a service error.
Pia Guillermo, valiant serve, but kailangan pa niya dagdagan yung power. Kailangan pa niyang ilagay ng tama yung bato niya sa serve.
No entry. That's a block point for Assumption Antipolo. They really have changed the pace na, no?
No, Gabagonia wanted someone to help her out. Yung coverage niya medyo nahuli lang.
Into the net ulit. Canosa Academy here is committing several errors na.
Oo, hindi ma-perfect yung setter, yung bigay kay Biang Gutilban. So, from the pass play, yung block na yon, we're building, Assumption is building a mini rally here.
Right, Santo Tomas gets it. Kimpo. That was just returned by Guillermo. Ball is still alive. Inaabot. Canosa Academy of Lipa is down by 1, 10-11.
Coach Ivan is having 3 receivers at the back to make sure they get good defense receive, good serve receive here.
Right, here we go. A free ball will be sent. That was Luna, standing guard. Landicho. Kimpo chooses Noon. Diaz gets first ball. Landicho sends it to the left. Diaz again. Push over by Guevara. Landicho with a 1-2 play, and that will break the armor of Assumption.
Nagsawa na siya sa kakaset sa kakampi. Hulog ko kaya? Ano kaya mangyayari? Minsan ganyan setter just to break the rally eh. Tatry nila maghulog. If it works, it works.
Into the net.
Papansin mo, maparami yung errors ng Canosa this set ha.
Yeah, compared to the very first one where they clearly dominated.
Biang's serve right there is really weak. And she was serving strong the first set.
Diaz. Oh, it's another ace.
I mean, Bree was too far for that ball. If I were her, I'd just move forward so she can get the ball higher.
Into the net again.
Minamadali ng server yung bola eh. She needs to use more time for that. 8 seconds yan after the whistle eh. So she needs to use more time dun sa serve.
13-12. Kimpo. Ooh, an attack error.
Ang layo na kasi din ni Martina Kimpo to set the ball to zone 4. This time Assumption Antipolo has to hold on defense.
Kimpo choosing the middle. Templo is just super ready.
I would love to see Georgina Templo play more offense, be given more balls in the middle because she has not had a good hit for the whole game. I'd love for her to get more balls this set.
That's a service error coming in from Assumption.
Watch out, si Landicho na magsaserve. Crafty rin to sa service niya. Very creative din siya. So watch out.
And indeed.
That's what I mean.
Really crafty.
One thing that all setters should have is yung high IQ when in playing in all skill level, all skills dapat yan, including the serve.
Santo Tomas sends in a freebie. Landicho to the middle.
Dalawang quick kagad yung tumalon doon. Namili na lang yung si Landicho kung sino yung okay pumalo.
And that's another ace.
Landicho, again, her intelligence is evident even on the service line.
17-14. Kimpo sends it to Santo Tomas. Landicho was there. They send it to Diaz all the way to the left. Lozada stood guard. Kimpo reverses to Non, pero hindi umabot si Non.
Pag the reception is too high, it's hard for the setter to control the ball.
And in the meantime, a ceasefire has been called at the side here of Assumption. We'll be right back.
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! Be only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi nabitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! Be only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi nabitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! Be only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi nabitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! Be only with Smart Power All 99.
Right, and now we're back after the quick timeout coming in from Assumption. Zada. Non. Santo Tomas sends it all the way to the side of Canosa. They set and send it to Diaz. Templo. That is Non with a
Nice.
lucky shot.
Anything you do that helps your team, just anything at all, you just have to try and do it. Na-break tuloy yung service ni Landicho, which is good for Assumption. Pansin mo, both teams have been changing players heavily this set. Pero in contrast, Assumption, by necessity kasi. With Canosa, it's more of giving experience to everyone on the lineup. Oh,
Almost.
akala ko tutuloy yung swerte eh.
Landicho. Quick hit coming in from Nicole Agoho.
I'd like to see Georgina be closer to the net when she blocks because she's still giving some space to the middle blocker pag pumalo eh. So, you know.
15-19. Zada.
Yun lang.
Yun lang. Misreceive. Napakamot tuloy si Coach sa ulo.
They cannot they cannot keep giving away points that way without a fight eh. Kailangan talaga through the efforts ng Canosa kaya sila maka-point. Yung Canosa, they can't Assumption can't give away points at this part of the game.
Right. Canlas sends it over. Landicho reverses. And that is good. Care of Kutilban. Lalabas na itong si Diaz. Babalik naman si Sevilla.
Oh, let's see what number 23 Kenzie Sevilla can do. In din si Crisane Baldago for Assumption Antipolo.
Pares to serve. Too long.
Si Sam, malakas talaga yung braso ni Sam eh. So, even sa service line, makikita mo. She just needs to, make sure she controls all that power.
16-21. Good save. Ball is out. 23-22 pa lang.
Kenzie Sevilla was successful there na-disrupt niya yung defense ng Assumption, but Kimpo was already there, medyo na-distract lang siya sa teammate niya.
Right, Kimpo.
Oh! Yung sub, si Christine Baldago making a point for her team. Tingnan natin kung matutuloy niya sa service line.
17-22. And na-jinx nga natin, Coach.
Oo nga.
23 for our troops from Canosa.
Sana bandang zone 6 na lang niya si Nerve para hindi masyadong malapit sa sideline.
Sevilla to serve. Zada. Kimpo sets it up to give Zara. Huli.
Naya Guevara, power hit. Si Naya talaga, hindi naman siya middle talaga. Out of necessity lang eh. She plays outside hitter talaga. Has a good arm. Plays, blocks well. Pero right now, Coach Ivan needs her sa middle eh. Whoa!
And they bring Assumption to 19 points. Canosa needs to close this game right now kung ayaw nila.
Si Grace Mendoza, yung libero ng Canosa. Ang ganda ng dive eh.
At hindi naaabot. Canosa Academy of Lipa now standing at match point 24-19.
You can't really say that Assumption Antipolo does not want to win. Kasi talagang hinahabol na yung bola eh. They just have to be consistent.
Super true. 24-19. Razon tried to intercept. A free ball is sent back to Canosa. Bendicho choosing the middle. At eto naman si Mojares ends the game with a double contact called on Assumption. And that has been our 5th game for today. Congratulations again to Canosa Academy of Lipa for their 2nd win, all in a day's work. And of course, props as well to Assumption Antipolo for giving us a really good game. And later on, we have 2 more games pa. Please stay with us. Coach Andy and Francis Chisongo here at Smart Spike 2026.
For businesses across the Philippines, the sun can bring more than light. It shines down with clean, cost-effective energy. With M Spectrum, you can turn your rooftops into reliable savings and real sustainability. Backed by Meralco's energy expertise, M Spectrum delivers tailor-fit, end-to-end solar solutions. Designed around your particular profile and goals, M Spectrum offers exactly what you need and stays with you for the long term. This means lower costs and fewer worries. With Power Purchase Agreement, M Spectrum invests, installs, and operates the system. You pay only for the energy you consume. In retail, every peso counts. For Landers Superstore, their stores rely heavily on